You, yes, you, I'm talking to you, need to
Of course, I need to do
land
something.
the
Oh.
shit.
Well, what are we playing though? I don't. What are we playing today? I don't understand.
Among Us. Playing Among Us.
We're playing Among Us
Among Us.
with 2 people.
Yeah.
Okay.
I bought a shovel.
Yeah, I knew it. We had no money, bro. And I was like, wait, 2 flashlights, and then the only other thing that could make us lose money is a shovel. I knew you would buy a shovel. This is why I can't let you buy anything.
I wanted a shovel.
I know, but you have to maybe agree to spend our money before you just jump into things.
My money.
Your money? No.
Yeah.
No.
You don't have a say in what I do.
Yes, I do. And I'm telling you right now, don't go and spending all of our money. Our money. Did you ever... Hold on. Where... You stole the money, didn't you? It's all gone.
Bruh. How can I steal money? I don't got pockets.
Well, I guess we're just gonna have to play this round without a flashlight or a shovel.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, okay, you wait. You wait. Alright, we gotta cook. We literally gotta cook. Chat. Chat. We literally have to cook. Chat. What? What is this? Oh! Oh! What is that? 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 Oh! Hey! Oh! If I move, does it move? What is that? That's terrifying. Oh, W's. Nah. Tweaking. I'm tweaking. That's not you guys. That's me. I'm tweaking. That didn't happen. I have made a new what is it called? Phobia. I have a phobia of birds, and I'm just imagining that was there. That did not happen. That happened. Oh my god. Oh my. That happened. We just started. Oh. See ya. What is with the bird? How does he insta-kill? Hey, whoa, hey, buddy. Hey. Back it up. Sorry. Yes, sir. Bryce. Chill, bro. Nah. What do I do? Okay, man. Listen. Stop. Oh. Dude, it's that one bird from Up. It's Kevin from Up. That one giant bird, bro. Oh.
And I'm dead. Wow. Wow. Like, why would you run to me? That's the stupidest idea ever.
I'm sorry. I panicked.
You're dumb. You're dumb.
Oh my gosh. What is that? How do you... I'm looking it up. Let's see. Bestiary and then the giant sap sucker.
Sap sucker.
Oh, it's a wood. They moved the building and I don't know where it is. Yo, are you thinking what I'm thinking? We should go grab those sap things.
I'm jumping in the ravine and I'm gonna sacrifice my life, so you might wanna go over there. Oh.
Chill. It's okay. It's okay. Oh.
Stand back.
Oh, okay.
Sacrificing my life. Uh-oh.
Ah! Oh no! So when it feeds off of a tree, how much are they worth? Oh. Did you get him? Is he gone? Oh, he's still alive. Hey, Mama Bird, what is good, my gang? Gang.
Ooh.
He's probably dead. Yep. Definitely dead.
Wow.
Hi.
Time for a different moon. How many days we got? Dude, it was so funny on my screen. You could have seen.
Oh, that's 141 right there. Do we really want to go and risk that already?
Got that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Ah!
Okay, I'm putting this on the back of this shit. Ow!
I'm starting it. Grab it.
No.
Grab it. God. Ah!
I got it.
Let's go, baby.
You can use the terminal.
You want some honey?
No, it's okay, little guy. I don't want some honey. Okay, you go sell that. Whoa. What the heck? That was interesting. Testing 1 2 3.
Testing 1 2 3.
What are we testing? 1 2 3.
Over.
No, I found. Hey, hey. Whoa, hello.
I can't see you.
Get me in the thing. Get me in the place.
Say over when you're not talking. Over.
Over.
Oh.
Oh, he didn't die. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna go over here. See ya. Apparatus. Hey, guess what I found?
These nuts.
There's a there's paper towels in there, by the way, if you want them. We do need them. You made quite a mess. Oh my gosh, these guys won't leave me alone. I'm stuck in the doorway. I literally, what do I? Oh, ah, help me! No! No! I am back in the building. I repeat, I am back in the building. Oh my god. Yeah, I knew it. You ain't slick, buddy. What the what the? Hey, what's up, man? Just, you know, I'm just chilling. Yep, alright, and that is my cue to leave. Please do not break. I beg of you. We're literally going to March. Over.
Why don't we go to May? Oval.
Don't make jokes like that ever again. Over.
It's very dark in here.
Oh. Very, very misty. Over. I thought you said you hired a plumber to fix that. Over. Oh, no. I'm hearing a weird clown horn. Over.
That's me. Over.
Stop. I also hear a clown horn going all over the place. Over.
I seen a bracket. Over. I found a professor.
Oh my gosh, he picked the apparatus. Sergeant, I am very far deep into the map. I now cannot see. Over.
That's very bad. Over.
Thank you. Thank you for noticing that. After you pull the apparatus.
I took the apparatus. Over.
Of course. Of course. I found the exit. Over.
Wait.
Why did you close this door? Over.
Thank you.
Open the door.
It
Over.
is not
Open the door. Over. Open the door. Over.
No.
Open the door. Over. I have now just found the Bracken room. Over. Oh. Oh.
There's currently a bear outside.
Oh. Yeah, that would make sense. This goofy guy.
Thank you very much.
I just found a pew. Ah! Over. Can't take any game seriously. I like. Are you alive? Over.
I'm in a bit of a pickle. Over.
Oh my god, bro, I'm crying right now. Oh my god. Oh. What? How did you manage to do that without dying? I hear a landmine. No. Found the landmine. Alright, cool. Why am I not heading back? I lied. I am heading back right now. Right now as we... Oh. Why is it there? Okay, well, we're heading back, right? That's the landmine. Where am I? I'm lost. No, I'm not. Oh, I went down this way, though. That's a bracken? There's two? Or is that the same one? And there's a thumper. Alright, well, I need to... Ah! Please. Ah! Oh my god! Near activity detected. Yeah. Go figure. Everything. Is the electric chair still up? Ooh, we're buying the electric chair. Hold up. Now, I don't want to be the one to sit in that. Now, would you rather have this nice comfy... I call this chair.
This is a nice day.
Yeah. Can you get up? No way. Just get comfortable. You can't use this thing.
Metal. How am I supposed to be comfortable with metal?
I don't know what you're I'm pretty comfy right now. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I can tell.
Wait, sit.
Let me show you how you sit.
Oh yeah.
Dead end. Uh-oh.
Oh!
I think there's a song behind me.
Yeah, probably. Over. Actually, it's by me.
Hey, I think
Over.
I see something by me. Over. I'm hiding. Please don't kill me! Please! Don't kill me! Don't kill me!
Oh my god. What are you doing? Over.
Nothing. Over.
Oh my. I'm gonna go back in the building and see how it is. Over. Maybe it's best we run. Over.
No.
You can hear the baby crying.
Oh,
You do not want to be around that thing. Over. Oh no! Woo!
Thank you for your cooperation and happy travels.
What
Wait.
are you doing?
I kind of want to test something.
Wait. What are you doing?
Wait, no way this works, right? If they would come over. I'm
Don't
dead.
look at my search history.
That literally is just an easy way.
Question like,
Turn that TV off. Ow. Have you found anything? Cause I have not. I found an engine worth $28.
Oh my god! Dude, I just jumped so bad.
Yeah, I saw. Okay, well, you found pickles. And a bell. Wait, we might actually have everything we need. We could probably leave right now if we wanted to.
I have a big bowl of pickles, a stop sign, and a bell.
I have a jar of pickles, a magnifying glass, and I'm about to cop the apparatus. Bum ba ba dum ba 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 bum. Yes. We're locked and loaded, baby. No. Can you hear me? Over.
Yeah.
Go to the ship and buy a shovel. Over.
I'm in the ship. Okay.
Buy a shovel really quick. Over. So, Mr. Exterminator Man, I called you because there's a spider on the wall. Just a little spider.
Since I killed that monster, I'm keeping the pickles. Okay. Think of it as a payment.
You tried to leave me. I swear.
If we find that bird, we should kill
Why would you go on? Why would you go with me?
it. If we find that bird, we kill it.
We are not killing that bird.
Shh, be very quiet.
It's sleeping. Shh. Oh no! Do you copy? Over. This is a call for help. Alright. You can't possibly mess up selling again. There's no way. Oh my god, he's gonna die again. Hey, get on! You better hurry and get on! Oh, that was close. Right? No. No. Oh my. That makes us lose 20% of our money. Oh. I can't believe you just did that.
Assistance. If the answer to all of these questions is yes, you can
Okay. Yep, just keep watching TV, buddy.
question like, how can you cooperation and happy travel?
Well, hey.
Shut up, boy.